everyone and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Stacy. You're welcome. Please subscribe before leaving. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this delicious rice. Not tomatoes, what's this? I'm going to walk you guys through the ingredients while we're cooking. So this is the meat I'm using. I already fried my plantain. Everything is cut in cube, including the meat. Okay, so you want to cut the meat and the plantain the same size. You want them to be the same size. So I'm going to transfer the oil I used in frying the plantain and the meat into my pan. I'm going to add the onion I'm going to be using here. I lost a clip of this pepper. This is a bell pepper. It's kind of tatashi, something we call tatashi in Nigeria, and it's long kind of bell pepper. So this is how they look. I blended this. I pre-cooked them with onion and pepper, Scotch bonnet pepper, and blend them. So yeah, this is the size of the plantain and the meat, fried plantain and the meat I'm going to be using for this recipe. For the rice, you can use any rice of your choice. So I'm going to be adding the rice into boiling water. I love parboiling my rice, so I'm going to parboil them and continue. All right, back to this sauce. I'm going to be adding the pre-cooked blended peppers, the one I showed you guys, and the onion and Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to stir everything, and I will start adding the seasoning I'm using. I'm using smoked paprika. I'm using some thyme again. I'm going to be adding some thyme here again. I'm going to be using half tablespoon of curry, or half teaspoon of curry, not tablespoon, some bay leaf, and rosemary as well. At this point, you need to add the seasoning cube you're using and stir everything together and allow that sauce to cook. This is how to know that your sauce is ready. When the oil started flowing on top of the tomatoes, that is when to know that the sauce is ready. So I'm going to go ahead now to add the meat and the fried plantain at this moment. Stir everything together and allow them to cook there for 2 to 3 minutes before adding the rice. Add the rice, stir everything together, add the stock you got from the meat. You can use chicken for this as well. All right, so after stirring everything, I'm going to add the stock. The stock obviously is not enough, so I'm going to add some water in there, stir everything together, put the lid on, and allow them to cook until the water is completely dry. So the rice is almost cooked here and the waters are almost dried up. So I'm going to give them a quick stir. In fact, the water is dried, and now I'm going to stir everything together. Then I'm going to be adding some of vegetable I'm using, which is going to be broccoli leaf, because I'm in love with the broccoli leaf. I showed it on one of my video. It's called Shima the Rapper in Italy here. So I'm going to add everything. The heat is already turned off. Stir everything together, and I'm going to show you guys the final result with a different camera, because this camera is not giving the color of this delicious recipe. So if you're looking for something to prepare, fast food to prepare without using tomatoes, or you don't have tomatoes in your house and you have bell pepper, you can actually make this recipe. It's very easy, and it's very delicious, guys. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.